If you think the world is changing slowly, China is here to prove you wrong.
The race to the future begins in China, reshaping industries and challenging global dominance everywhere. A country once known for cheap factories is now becoming the world's biggest technological laboratory. Cities filled with robots, AI, drones, and humanoids mark a new industrial revolution rising rapidly. The real question isn't what China is building, but whether America can stop what's coming now. This is Shenzhen, once a fishing village, now transformed into the powerful Silicon Valley of the East. A place where the future isn't tested, but already running seamlessly in the crowded streets today. No homeless, no theft, cameras everywhere, drones dropping coffee, and self-driving cars dominating roads. It feels like San Francisco would feel if San Francisco actually worked flawlessly, without collapses. Welcome to BYD, the company that transformed China from a joke into a serious threat for Tesla. Founded in 1995 in a tiny apartment making batteries, mocked by media and Elon Musk alike. Today they beat Tesla in revenue, production units, technology depth, and speed of innovation worldwide. Their $250,000 electric supercar accelerates like a rocket, dances, spins 360 degrees. It can survive deep floodwater for 30 minutes, transforming itself into a temporary floating vehicle. The secret weapon is the Blade battery, ultra-safe, long-lasting, and built with lithium iron phosphate. 5 minutes of charging gives 400 kilometers, and 1 second adds 2 full kilometers instantly. No company can match this currently, while BYD produces 1 car per minute using robotic automation. Shenzhen's street proved the shift clearly, with green electric plates everywhere, replacing outdated fuel cars. China isn't transitioning to electric vehicles anymore, because the transition is already fully completed. Order coffee, and a drone brings it automatically, following strict air routes to your exact location. Need a ride? A self-driving car arrives with no driver, only a dummy placed in the front. Wanna pay? Just use your palm, since biometric payments dominate every form of modern transaction. Hotel deliveries are done by robots that navigate corridors, call elevators, and reach your specific room. This isn't a demo or experiment. This is daily life functioning normally across the entire advanced city. Technology doesn't stop at cars, so next stop is Hangzhou, home of the rising Unitree robotics. Here you meet the G1 humanoid robot, with extreme flexibility and nearly impossible to knock balancing ability. It moves like a kung fu fighter, costing $16,000, affordable for normal buyers now. Influencers already own it. It walks streets, sits in cafes, handstands, dances, and reacts realistically. China competes directly with Boston Dynamics and is catching up fast in mobility and humanoid robotics. Then comes Shanghai, China's financial engine, running the Maglev train, reaching 431 kilometers. Japan holds the record, but China's high-speed rail network is expanding aggressively at unbelievable velocity. Next destination is Shandong province, home to EX Robot, a factory rarely accessible to most foreigners. Here things get disturbing. Humanoids with realistic skin, silicone faces, and expression mirroring in real time. A robot hospital demonstrates future surgeries, while robot faces of many famous people line long halls. A robot village exists where machines teach, assist elderly residents, guide tourists, and perform services. Fusions contain robotic skeletons being assembled by other robots, creating a self-sustaining production cycle. Engineers confidently claim robots will build robots because robots never tire, never rest, never complain. They believe humanoids will join society through education, healthcare, service industries, and emotional support. China quietly rebuilds the world, while America argues, fights wars, and remains distracted by politics. This isn't China catching up anymore. This is China clearly overtaking with unstoppable technological acceleration. The race to the future is inside China's labs and factories, shaping tomorrow, whether the world's ready.